Are you stuck? Are you feeling stuck? I know the feeling. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and welcome again to another one of my little dog and pony shows I've been doing for so long. Do me a favor, if you wouldn't mind, to like and subscribe and post and share and, yell out the window about the show. That'd be really great. And be nice to my sponsors: Electro Voice, Promo Only, Disc Jockey News, DJ Event Planner, Perfect Portals, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So you're stuck. There's lots of ways to unstuck yourself. But I've got something that I was reading the other day that speaks to things that I think about when I feel stuck in a situation, feel like I'm not sure what I can do and how I can do better. Here's one. Do you have habits? Most of us do, but usually the habits are created out of things that we just kind of do, not things that we've actually created to make our lives better or to at least have habits to help. So let me suggest you actually build and create 2 new habits. Number 1, a habit for you to do and that you do every single morning when you get up. Whatever that habit is, 1, 2, 3 things, but do them as one thing. If it's like I get up and I have a drink of water, I brush my teeth, and I go for a walk, there's a habit, right? But do it every day and be consistent. Create something that you're not doing and make it a new morning habit. And number 2, make another one for the end of the day. Before you go to bed, just before the end of your day, have this habit that you do every single solitary time. These 2 habits from the beginning of the day and the end of the day can create for you successes, because you've got habits that you do each day and that you can have happen. It's very much like the general who talked about in the TED Talk that you should make your bed every single solitary day, because then you start the day with a win. Well, start the day with a win and end the day with a win by creating 2 habits, 2 really powerful habits to make you feel powerful as you begin and feel as though your day was powerful as it ended. It sounds dumb. It sounds too simple to work, but I'm telling you, something like this can make a profound impact on your daily, day-to-day stuff. Because right now, if you're stuck, more than likely, you're getting up every day and you're just letting the day handle you, right? You're dealing with whatever happens and you're letting it happen. And then you're just constantly trying to move forward and figure it out as you go, not knowing what's coming. So you may or may not be successful. And if you're okay with that, that's fine. But normally, we don't say we did that and we were successful. We don't do that to ourselves at all. It's silly, but it's true. But if you have a regular habit that you do every single day, the same thing every single day, it has a beginning and a middle and an end, it's difficult to not be successful, because you know what success looked like yesterday and the day after that and the day after that. And the same thing for the end of the day, because we go through the day all day saying to ourselves, oh, we screwed that up. I didn't finish that. Oh, I was going to do this and I didn't do that. So at the end of the day, you're like, whole day, I went through the whole day and nothing got done. Well, no wonder you feel stuck, because you're seeing your world and letting the world kind of show up, and you kind of handle things as it flies at you. Trust me now, the truth is you're handling it and you are being successful. But when you're feeling stuck, that's not what's happening. You're feeling like you're not handling anything at all. Everything seems undone, unfinished, unstarted. Whole day feels that way. Whole life starts to feel like that way. And then all of a sudden you feel stuck. So this is not the end all and be all, right? But it's a good place to start. And it's a good way to start your day in a great way, and a great way to end your day in a great way. It can be anything. It can be small, it can be large, but it should be something you can do every single day in the morning, no matter where you are in your world. and something you can do every night before you go to bed, no matter where you are in the world, that has a beginning and an end, even if it's just have a cup of tea, clean up the cup, put it away, go to bed. Get up in the morning, make a cup of tea, drink it down, wash the mug out, put it away. 2 successes, one at the beginning of the day, one at the end of the day. What do you think of this? Write your comments below and tell me what you think. Until then, I'll see you next time on Creative License.